children, how are you? Hope you all are fine. My name is Preeti Shrivastava. I am class teacher of UKG. I welcome you all in Divine Public School's e-learning class. Today I am going to teach you English. This is your English book, and the name of your English book is Work on Language. All of you open page number 3 in your English book. This is lesson 1, and here is written sing aloud. That means you have to sing loudly this rhyme with me. And the title of this rhyme is Little Miss Muffet. Children, do you want to know what happened with Little Miss Muffet? I explain you. This rhyme is about a girl. When she was sitting on a clump to take her breakfast, do you want to know what she was eating in her breakfast? She was eating curd and whey. Then there a spider came and sat down just next to her. After seeing a spider, Miss Muffet was afraid. Okay children, understand? This is the story of this girl. Now all of you read this rhyme with me. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. There came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Here is Ashin with action. All of you do action with her. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. There came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Once again, all of you do action with her. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. There came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. All of you learn this rhyme and do with action in front of your parent. Now this is writing time. Children, in previous video you learnt formation of A, B, C and D. Today I will teach you how to write next 4 letters E, F, G and H. This is letter E. E for elephant and E for egg. Next letter is F. F for fish and F for frog. Next letter is G. G for goat and G for grapes. Next letter is H. H for hen and H for horse. Children, there are 4 lines in your English copy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next letter is E. For formation of E, you will put your pencil on the 3rd line, make a slant line, touch it to the 2nd line, turn towards left side, make a loop, then curve it like this. This is E. After E, what will come? F. Children, F you will make in 4 lines. For the formation of F, put your pencil on the 3rd line, make a slant line, and this slant line will touch the 1st line, turn back, that means turn towards left side, make a loop, and this loop will cross the second line, make a slant line. This slant line will touch the fourth line. Now curve it, turn towards right side, come in the middle, make a little loop, take out tail, and this tail will touch the second line. This is F. After F, what will come? G. For the formation of G, make a slant line, and this slant line will touch the second line, curve it, turn back, just like formation of A, touch the circle, now come down, touch the fourth line, turn towards left side, make a loop, and this loop will cross the third line, take out tail and leave here. This tail will not touch the second line. This is G. After G, what will come? H. For the formation of H, put your pencil on the third line, make a slant line, and this slant line will touch the first line, turn towards left side, make a loop, make a slant line, come down, touch the third line, come in the middle, curve it, touch the second line, come down, touch the third line and curve it like this. This is H. This is your English copy. This line is margin line and first line is headline. In the margin line, you will put the date. Suppose today is 27, then we will write here 27/27, put a dash here. Here you will write down month. This month is May, that's why we will write here 5. Again put a dash. After writing month, you will write down year. Which year is this? This year is 2020. That's why you will write 2020. This is year. 27th May 2020. Here you will write down heading. What is the heading, children? Today you will learn formation of E dash H, E to H, like this. Okay. After that you will write down C dot W dot. C dot W dot means class work. You will do this work in the class, that you will write down C dot W dot, and if you will do this work at home, you will write here H dot W dot. Children, you will not write in this line. All of you start writing from here. Make a slant line, touch the second line, turn towards left side, make a loop, then curve it. Like this. Okay. After E, F. Put a pencil on the third line, come to the first line, turn towards left side, cross it from the second line, make a slant line, turn towards right side, come in the middle, make little loop, take out a tail, and tail will touch the second line. This is F. After F, what will come? G. Put your pencil on the third line, curve it, come back, just like formation of A, touch the circle. Now make a slanting line, and this slanting line will touch the fourth line, turn towards left side, make a loop, and loop will cross from the third line, take out a tail, and this tail will not touch the second line. This is G. After G, what will come? H. Put a pencil on the third line, touch it from the first line, turn towards left side, make a slant line, touch the third line, come in the middle, curve it like this, come down, then touch the third line, then curve it. This is H. Children, you learn how to write E, F, G, H. Now, you all will do this work in good handwriting with sharpened pencil in your English copy. This is your writing book and the name of your writing book is Art of Writing. Children, you have to do page number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 as a homework, and please do only one page in one day. Here you will put the date. Here is written, trace all the given lines. These are standing lines. All of you trace like this. Okay children, these are sleeping lines, these are slanting lines. This is page number 5. Here you will write down date. When you will do this work, you will write down that date only. Suppose this work you are doing on 28, then you will write here 28 to 8, 28, then put a dash here, 5, this is month because May is the 5th month of the year, dash, then year, like this. You will write down date. Okay children, and here is written, help the animals to reach their favorite food by tracing the zigzag lines. That means you have to trace all the zigzag lines like this. Like this. This is page number 6. Here you will write down date. Then here is written, connect each green dot to the red dot by tracing the dotted lines. You have to trace all the dots like this, green to red, like this. After that, like this. Okay. Now this is page number 7. And here is written, there are different persons following the different types of paths to reach their stop points. Help them to trace their paths. Okay, you will help like this by tracing the line. Like this. You will trace all the dots like this. This is page number 8. And here is written, fill up the buckets with sand by tracing the lines. Color the picture also. You have to trace like this and color all these buckets with different colors. Okay children? Now we will meet in next video. Thank you.